sending a goose feather from thousands of miles away.
Happy birthday to you.
I hope it's a model car. Oh. Mum, I was expecting a model car from Grandma.
It's a handmade bookmark from Grandma. I think she wants to encourage you to work hard on your studies.
But I really want a model car.
I know you'd like a model car. Why do you think Grandma took the time and effort to make this bookmark just for you?
I don't know, but this isn't the present I'm hoping for. I'm disappointed.
Hello, Jason. I'm Dr. Owl, the guardian of the night and the symbol of wisdom.
Hi, Dr. Owl.
Jason, you know sometimes the meaning of a gift is more important than the gift itself. There might be a deeper meaning behind it. Have you heard of the story, Sending a Goose Feather from Thousands of Miles Away?
Sending a goose feather from thousands of miles away.
Let me take you back to the Tang Dynasty. Jason, you are now Mian Bo Gao, an ambassador from Hui He, a small country.
But I don't know how to be an ambassador.
You can do it, don't worry.
Mian Bo Gao! I'm sending you to Chang'an, the capital of the Tang Dynasty, with our precious treasures. Your mission is to present them to Emperor Taizong of the Tang Dynasty. These presents show the deep and enduring friendship between us. Among the treasures, the most precious one is the rare white goose. Don't lose it.
Yes, Your Majesty. I will ensure the mission is well accomplished.
Mian Bo Gao sets out with his attendant. During the journey, he becomes very nervous, often staring closely at the treasures, especially the most precious white goose, which is kept in a cage.
We've walked for a while now. Let me open the cage and give the white goose a wash, so the Emperor of Tang won't receive a dirty present. Oh no! Don't go! This is bad. I've messed it up. How can I explain this to the Emperor of Tang?
The goose has flown far already. Crying won't help. Let's come up with a solution quickly.
Ah! I have an idea now. We must accomplish our mission. Let's take good care of this feather and keep going.
Finally, Mian Bo Gao arrives at Chang'an, the capital city, with the treasures and the goose feather. He meets the Emperor of Tang.
Your Majesty, here are the treasures we present on behalf of the King of Hui He. Please accept them.
Just a feather?
There's also a message written on the piece of silk.
Mian confessed to the Emperor of Tang and pleaded for mercy with all his might. The goose feather sent from afar, light as it is, yet the affection behind carries great weight.
I appreciate your honesty and the effort of traveling all the way here. I forgive you for having lost the white goose, and I hope you can return home with a joyful heart.
The goose feather itself might not be worth much, but the message it carries is significant. Although a bookmark may not be a luxury gift, it perfectly captures your grandma's care for your studies. Sometimes it's the thought that counts.
I understand now. I should appreciate Grandma's love and care. This bookmark reminds me to read more books and study hard. I will work harder and I won't let her down.
The main character, Mian Bo Gao, completed the task given by the King of Hui He. He bravely admitted losing the white goose to the Emperor of Tang and earned the Emperor's trust. Are you an honest and trustworthy person? Remember to face challenges with courage and confidence.